How long did it take me to get my first copywriting clients? It helps so much to hear from somebody else what their journey was like and what the expectations should be. My journey was a little bit different when it came to getting copywriting clients because I didn't start as a copywriter, but I'll tell you exactly how it went. So I started out as an online social media manager. That was my first group of services that I offered as a digital marketer. And one thing that I did that helped me land clients there was I joined a mastermind with a coach who knew a lot of people. And when she knew that my skills could back up the results that I needed to be able to get, she would refer me to her friends and other people in the network. It's a strategy that can work for you too, but not everyone can afford to join a mastermind. I really couldn't either, but I was desperate. So I did, and it was the best decision that I ever made. Let's just say that's absolutely not in the budget for you. This second strategy could work. So the way that I started landing copywriting clients specifically was I took a position in a Facebook ads agency writing ad copy. That's when I first realized how much I loved writing copy. That was when I really began to seek out more projects of that kind. The clients inside the agency would come to me for other types of sales copywriting projects, and that was how I began to put myself out there as a sales copywriter. There are a lot of agencies out there that do look for copywriters, and that can be a great way to get your foot in the door when it comes to landing your first clients, getting those results and testimonials, and then being able to launch out on your own, which I did again a year later, hung up my own shingle as a full-time sales copywriter.